Pizza and Pasta Expo, the largest pizza and pasta trade show taking place October 3rd and 4th, Atlantic City Convention Center in New Jersey. You'll have access to nearly 300 booths of products and services, keynote addresses by industry-leading restaurateurs. You can discover what's new, what's working, and what's trending at Pizza and Pasta Northeast. Educational seminars and demonstrations. Join 2,500 of your fellow pizza and Italian restaurant professionals to exchange ideas. You can't beat the experience or value. It's all pizza and pasta, and it's all for you. Taking place October 3rd and 4th, Atlantic City Convention Center in New Jersey. For more information, pizzaandpastaexpo.com.